student. Welcome for today's science class in 8th. How are you, dear Petines? I hope you all are fine, good and safe at your home. We are on the chapter 3rd, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. This is our second part. In first part, we have done type of fibers, that is natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Okay, and second topic was type of synthetic fibers. We have studied nylon, rayon, acrylon, polyester with their uses. Now, I like to take in this part advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fibers. First, I'll go with advantages of synthetic fibers. First advantage is high tensile strength. Yes, these synthetic fibers are having a very good tensile strength. Second is low water absorption. These synthetic fibers are not going to absorb a lot. Third is good elasticity, means good stretchability. Fourth is wrinkle resistance. They are not going to be wrinkled if we are taking the synthetic fibers like nylon and rayon. They never get wrinkled. So it's very easy to wash them also and to dry them also. So abrasion resistance and moth resistance. You know, the moths is not going to be destroy that cloth. As compared to cotton cloth, they'll destroy. Moth will destroy them. But in nylon cases, rayon cases, they'll not destroy them. So they are moth resistance. Lightweight. Of course, they are lighter than cotton and other woolen cloths. Okay. So let's take some disadvantages, because on every advantage there are the demerits. So let's take about the disadvantages also. Melt and burn. Yes, nylon like cloths will burn in summers, and when they catches fire very easily also. So they melt and burn very easily. Next is non-biodegradable. It's a very big demerit of a synthetic fiber is non-biodegradable. They are not going to decompose very easily as compared to cotton cloths. Okay. So next is uncomfortable during summers. Yes, because they are having the very low resistivity of heat. That's why we are very much uncomfortable in summers while wearing these clothes. Okay. Next was causing skin problem. Many persons have skin problems while they are wearing these nylon type cloths. They can only and only wear cotton cloths. So these are the advantages and disadvantages. We will study them in detail in our further class with the further PPT. Now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of fabric, synthetic fabric. Yes. First, I like to discuss these fibers can be manufactured on a large scale. Yes, they can be manufactured in factories. And second advantage I'm talking about, they cost less. If the things are manufactured in factories in a large scale, definitely their cost value will be less. And they are strong and durable. Yes, the life of the nylon and rayon cloths are more than the cotton cloths. They can be used for a long time. Yes, we can, because the color get faded in cotton like cloths, but if we are talking about the rayon and nylon, they have a long life than those fabric. They are water repellent and hence do not rot and get wet and dry very easily. Yes, they will not absorb a lot of water, so they dry themselves very easily. They are lightweight and comfortable to wear. Of course, their stretchability is more, their flexibility is more, so they are comfortable to wear, and they are in lighter weight too. As they have a shine, they enhance the appearance of the wearer. As we know, we party wear dresses, we used to take the rayon cloths and they look very decent and beautiful. Even polyester made cloths are very beautiful. Cloths made from these threads are wrinkle free and scratch free. Yes, like nylon is having a very good advantage over it, that it is wrinkle free, and swimming suits we are preparing from that having shiny nature also and wrinkle free also. Now let's take some disadvantages. They are water repellent, hence do not absorb sweat from the skin. Yes, in the summer season, if the person is sweating a lot, it is not going to absorb the sweat. It's a major disadvantage. Yeah. Next is continuous use of cloths made from these threads keep the skin moist, which may cause a skin disease also. This, of course, these threads are stitched to the skin because they are very flexible and elastic, and skin diseases can be possible while wearing these synthetic cloths. Okay, synthetic cloths are uncomfortable to view, especially in summers. But why in summers? Because in summer they will not absorb the sweat, and definitely the person will feel uncomfortable. Okay, fourth one. Synthetic fabric catches fire easily, so you cannot wear these kind of cloths while working in the kitchen because they catches fire very easily. If they can catch fire, the cloth stick to the skin and causes serious injuries. Yes, if they catches fire, they will stick to our body because they have a very good elastic property, and then a serious problem can occur. These fibers are not decomposed by microorganisms, so they are non-biodegradable. Yes, these nylon rayon cloths are non-biodegradable cloths. So that's all for the advantages and disadvantages, and read them, learn them, understand the concept. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.